Novak Djokovic believes he is lucky to still be in the French Open after nearly hitting Judge with racket during Thomas Berdych tie. After missing a break point, Novak Djokovic bounced the racket in anger. The racket flew towards a line judge who managed to dodge out the way. Djokovic apologised. The 29-year-old did the same thing last month and the racket flew into the crowd. Okay, so he's trying, I think, to be a bit more popular on the court. He's bringing on ball boys at the end of the match. People don't necessarily warm to him like they do Roger Federer, and I think that kind of grates him a little bit. And so clearly, he would rather these things not happen. And I think in the press conference, he was like, what do you want me to say? Okay, let's go to the views. Best rated seems to be becoming a bit of a habit with this guy. Clearly, it was unfortunate that the racket slipped. Temper tantrum. Oh, there, you let me down. Well, the nice guy mask is finally slipping. Worst rated. Seems to be becoming a bit of a habit with this guy. I've watched it 100 times now on repeat from all different angles, and it's clear that the racket slips out of his hand. Well, it would be only chance Murray would have to win the French. All's well that ends well. This is what separates Fed Nadal from twits such as Djokovic. Okay, that's all.